Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to change the interior light bulb on an electric dryer. This is the Maytag Epic Series MED9700SQ 27-inch electric dryer. But I can't see the procedure being much different for other dryers. But this video will be specific to the Maytag because that's all I got. Here are the tools and supplies that I used. I've got a pair of gloves just for safety's sake. We're dealing with a glass bulb here. It can break on you, so wear gloves to protect your hands from getting cut if that happens. I've got a 10-watt C7 bulb. Check your manufacturer or the specs for your dryer to see which one you have. But in my case, it's a 10-watt C7. I've got a flashlight and a standard number 2 Phillips screwdriver to take the lens cover off. So another way to also, on my case, my Maytag has on the lens cover itself, it has actually printed what the specifications for the bulb are. I'll show you that next. So I guess you're supposed to read this before the bulb burns out, because I've got a flashlight behind it here just to illuminate the lens cover so you can actually see what it says. Use only 120 volt 10 watt appliance light bulb. I don't even know if it says C7 on it. Nope, it just says 120 volt 10 watt appliance light bulb. Okay, and if your lens cover doesn't have that on it, you can also check the bulb to see what is stamped on the bulb. I'll show you what I took out and basically why I'm wearing gloves on this. Here are the remnants of what's left of my bulb. As you can see, it looks like it's exploded or at least incinerated after it broke. I just don't know how this happened to it, but it's totally done. And you can see that it's broken glass, so this is going to be very sharp. So wear gloves when you're dealing with this, especially when you're unscrewing it or removing the glass from the compartment. So if yours is broken, remember, safety first, wear gloves. Now, the bulbs are usually stamped somewhere with the capacity on them, so if you don't know what yours is, you can actually look at the metal screw part of the bulb and actually get the specifications on it. So I'll show you that next. Here on the bottom of the bulb you can see the number on it. It is a 10C7, so 10 meaning 10 watt, C7 being the type of bulb that it is. It's not always in the same place. I'll show you again on this one here, my replacement. You can't really read it because they soldered over it, but it is a 10 watt 120 volt. That's what I ordered, and usually it's stamped on it somewhere, but in this case it's way easier to see here. It says 10C7, so that's what mine is. Now if you don't see either one of these, or you don't know, this is assuming that whoever put the bulb in there put the right one in there. So I would still check the manufacturer's website to make sure you get the right bulb for your machine. When working on appliances, of course, we want to be safe. So safety first. First thing we want to do is unplug the dryer from the wall socket. So we're going to do that. All right, pull it out and make sure that it's unplugged. Now, I know a lot of people have laundry rooms with a dryer and a washer and multiple plugs on the wall, and you may not know which one goes to which. So if you don't know, just unplug them both and then verify that your dryer is no longer powered by, trying to start a cycle or something, or see if the lights are working. So, again, safety first. Make sure there's no power going to any appliance that you're working on. All right, first step, of course, is to open the door. Then we're going to go look inside, and I'll show you exactly where the bulb cover or lens cover is, and we'll take that off and continue from there. Now we're looking at the inside, and you can see the lens cover right there in the center of the shot. And at the bottom right, you'll see a small Phillips screw, and that needs to come off first, so we're going to go with that. And you'll have an easier time because you don't have a camera in your way. But we'll take the screw off, counterclockwise, of course. There it is, just hanging there, and it's hinged on the top. So just basically take the lens cover, lift it up like this, and pull it out, and then that'll reveal the bulb. Next, we're going to remove the bulb. Put on your gloves and carefully unscrew the bulb. That's counterclockwise as well. There we go. Again, be careful with it. And then we're going to put in our new bulb as a replacement. So take your 10 watt C7 bulb and put it back in. Again, don't do this with the power on. Make sure the power is off. the machine is unplugged when you're doing this. And then just put it in snug. You don't have to put it in super tight. There we go. Next, we're going to put the lens cover back on. And it's just a reverse procedure. So put it into the hinge at the top. Press it up against the wall. And you'll see that the hole, line up the hole at the bottom right. And put your Phillips screw in there. There we go. And clockwise to secure it. And that's it. We've just replaced the bulb. Next, we just plug the dryer back in and test to see if it works. So we plugged it back in, the door is open, and the light is on as it should be. When the door closes, it should shut off, and it does. You can test that without shutting the door if you wish, just by pressing the door actuation switch up here at the top, like that. You can see that it works. So that's how you change the light bulb or the interior light bulb on a Maytag Epic Series MED9700SQ 27-inch electric dryer. And if you don't have this model, I'm sure this video can help you with yours as well. That's it for my video on how to change the interior light bulb on your dryer. If you like this video and it helped you out in some way, do me a huge favor and click on the like button in the bottom right hand corner and give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel, it helps my video, and I greatly appreciate it. Also up here on the top corner, you'll see a picture of me. That is the subscription link. If you click on that, you'll be subscribed to my channel. Part of the process of subscribing to my channel is also the option to be notified every time I put up a new video. And you'll see a bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, that's the notification icon, you'll be notified every time I put up a new video, and then you can watch it at your own leisure. Okay, like always, I want to thank you for your time and for watching.